If you're a student, you can get a discount on Amazon Prime. You can even get 6 months for free if you haven't signed up before. So there's a link in the description that will take you to this page where you can get a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime, and then it's almost like half price after that. So the student discount is $7.49 per month. This is also good if you're between 18 and 24 years old. If you don't qualify for either of those, you can still get a 30-day free trial. The link for that's in the description as well. You also get a bunch of other opportunities like 5% cash back. I think during holidays it's going to be like 10% as well. You also get free Grubhub Plus, so that's going to be $0 food deliveries, as well as Prime Video, unlimited streaming, etc. And there's a lot of different benefits here on this page. So that's it. I mean, you can get Amazon Prime free for 6 months if you're a student, and it's discounted after that at $7.49 per month. The link is in the description to go to get that discount, or go get your 30-day free trial if you're not qualifying for the student discount.